Nanti kuya.
Ungkan, dati ni Doc Yarin eh.
Oh, Doc. Can I talk to Doc Yari?
Hi, good evening, Danny Carl.
Guray, Doc. Guray.
Doc. Matanda na nakimat.
Natuyan, Doc na maturo ba ni?
Hi, Danny
Gwapo.
Carl. I miss you, babe.
Tarakil ka niya, Doc.
Tara, Doc. Nipod-sipod.
Kamusta ka?
Ay mo to
Always
visit,
pray for
Doc.
your eternal rest and peace. Do not worry about your grades understanding the self because I'll be giving you your grade pero hindi pa po na-compute lahat.
Baka. Boss, awanan. Dati ti kabats mi kumang... so matigasan nan, boss. Ay, Doc. Sir.
Well, death is
Doc.
inevitable. You have to remember that na ang kamatayan ay hindi mo ini-expect kung kailan darating. And everyone ay pupunta sa ganyan na estado ng ng ating buhay. Lahat may rason, may purpose kung bakit nangyayari yan. Totoong may nauuna, may nauhuli, but the great thing is to always embrace the beauty of life while you exist in this world, and at the same time to embrace death, because as it was written in the Bible, lahat tayo mamamatay.
Yes, sir.
Ang pinaka-importante, dapat ready tayo, prepared tayong mamamatay at alam natin na babalik tayo kay God. Diba?